Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so as you can see, I've unsubscribed from Strava inside of my Gmails. So in order to resubscribe, basically go to the bottom of the email, and in the footer section it will have some email settings or something similar. So now in order to resubscribe, we need to go ahead and click onto email settings. Every email is going to be different, so look for something similar. Now I'm going to log in with my Google account. All right, now once I've re-logged into my Strava, I can see inside of emails here, so I have unsubscribed from the email newsletter. So if I want to go ahead and return that on, I'm going to turn on. So when I go back into my emails again, Strava's going to send out those email newsletters because I have turned them back on.